Fucking on there.
How crazy the last
yeah,
plug,
it's fucking on there, Tony.
Yeah, that looks horrible.
Sheesh, finally.
Crazy, how crazy.
Hella funny.
It's pretty much ready, you know? The homies got front row seats to the motor blowing up in their faces, you know? There it is, folks. The motor sounds really, really good. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a lot of smoke. I dumped a lot of brake fluid and a lot of coolant, so don't worry about it. It smells like brake fluid being burned or vaporized. In case you guys forgot what the inside looks like. In case you guys forgot what it sounds like too. Oh, it smells like 91s. A lo perro. I'm gonna let it run for a bit and then we'll pick it up in a bit, probably for a drive, you know? But I'm gonna let it run for a bit, you know?
Alright, my boy. Pretty much his first time, like, you know, using it.
Some light, you know?
Let's see how. Yeah, I feel like he's gonna solid, you know. That's just me. Ah!
Oh, there's a wood block in the back wheel. Can you take it out?
Is it just one? Oh no. I think there's another one.
There was another one. Oh, this clutch is super aggressive.
Yeah, I know it is.
Super aggressive.
Yeah.
It's softer, but it's more aggressive.
Yeah, it just, when they mean like more aggressive, it's like the biting,
The bite,
you know?
yeah, the bite.
The bite is like,
More aggressive.
that's what's gonna be super aggressive, you know? Oh yeah, there was a fucking wood over here, fucking weirdo. You forgot you had coilovers in this bitch, huh?
Yeah. I forgot how good it looked, you know?
Finally, 350Z back.
On the ground, bro. Bitch on the ground.
You know, just a little fixes. You know? Did the galleries, did some cams. And that's why it sounded like that in the beginning.
Does it squat a lot then? Nah, it's all the way stiff.
Keeps all the power planted, you feel me? And so like squatting alley, you know, like up here. Help, that's right.
You know nothing major?
Help. You know? You know, the boy's finally cleaning his fucking windshield, you feel me?
I'm gonna watch the car tomorrow, you know?
You think so? And you're gonna give him a clip of you watching your car?
Yeah.
A little time lapse. Yeah, you better. Yeah, you fucking are.
See this car is some glory, maybe get some rollers too, you know?
Yeah, you fucking are.
Fucking smells hella nasty. It smells like brake fluid and coolant had a baby, and it tastes terrible. You know? This shit tastes so nasty. Alright, last time I did this, it wouldn't go past 60. Now I want you to watch it when I give it some gas. How crazy, how crazy.
You're going all the way to 60, my boy.
Yeah. Mendo.
Alright, my boy's about to go on his first drive, you know? Nothing major. Baby steps. When was the last time you did that, my boy?
Like, a little bit over 2 months ago.
I want to see him solid way real quick, you feel me? Does it mirror? Does your car sound deeper? Probably because of the exhaust, the fucking exhaust that you don't got no more.
I need to get used to this clutch though. It's a lot easier to drive though.
You know me. Running cockpit. You know the boy. I'm just gonna be looking at your pressure, really. You know that, you know? But I won't be recording you, feel me?
Cruising it, you know?
Yeah.
This bitch is so stiff, I missed it. It goes into 60 PSI hella early now. Look at it, I'm probably gonna... Look, I'm at 2K,
Yeah.
2.5K, and it's already past it, way past it. Definitely need to get used to this clutch. A lot less aggressive. When the bite is aggressive, the fuel is a lot more.
Well, shouldn't that be better? Cause like you're like able to kick it in quicker.
I kind of liked it though.
What? The aggressive?
Yeah.
The stiffness?
What?
You can hear it get louder like right away, huh? Like just like so it could be quick, you know? Yeah?
We saw it now? Went all the way to
Oh, I didn't really see it, but like, you know? I was just doing a lap, I don't know, you know?
Huh?
That's what I said. I said doing a lap. Just to show Vlad what's up, you know, let him know that's officially
It's not
running.
even here. Bro, I'm hella excited to just daily this bitch, bro. I'm a daily. It's so hard.
Shout out to the boy Vlad, you know? Hella funny.
Shout out to my boy.
Hella funny,
Shout out to
all
my
crazy. Do like a little roll. Oh, did it. Oh, that shit gripped that little quick, way. What the fuck? That clutch fucking pow.
Yeah.
Like stupid quick too.
Yeah.
And it feels more,
Needs an alignment.
it feels more fucking like sensitive, you know?
Yeah.
Like when you floored it, like that shit, like you felt it right away.
Yeah, I need to get used to it.
Well, yeah, I say it's a
Feels great.
successful day, you know? I say it's pretty successful.
Feels great. Car feels fucking amazing. It's a lot louder than I remember though.
You're gonna let it sit a little bit because it's smoke, you know? But it should be cool. That shit feels clean.
Did he step on all the way yet? Oh, that shit, how smells like fucking.
That shit sounds like your heat wrap and your fucking brake fluid way.
Did he full send it yet or not?
Oh,
I did a baby pool.
yeah, like he kind of floored it and that shit like, dude, like se sintió luego, you know? That's just clean. First, let me see your camera, your fucking thing. First reviews.
Feels great. Car feels very responsive. Clutch, I need to get used to it though. But it's like a good kind of feeling, you know? It's a good feeling, like the little bite, it's kind of nice. I don't know if you guys saw that. I need to work on my driver mod too, you know, something light. But it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. Nothing questionable, you know, driving around the block, nothing questionable that I'm like, you should probably look into that. Feels cool. A lot of smoke, but there was a lot of brake fluid being used. So, hope you guys appreciate it, you know? Did a lot of hard work. Shout out to my boy Jairo though. Shout out to the homies though. Shout out to the homies that helped out. You know? Shout out to the homies that
The boys, Andres, Ivan, Diego. You feel me?
The boys, you know? Something light.
Yes, sir.
Like, shout out to you guys for watching though. Y'all motivate me every day.
Yes, sir. Who's ready for the Tony and Jairo dig though?
Okay. Okay.
Sheesh. Alright, Mendo. Yes, sir. You're straight posted. How's it feel? That's crazy, huh? Who's next though?
Feel like a little massage, man. There you go.
Diego? Clean or what?
Cool, it's cool, you know?
Mendo.
Sounds quick, man.
Crazy. Tonight's not gonna be the day we find out whether it's not, you know? That'll be for another day, another video. Hey, who's gonna hop in the whip though? Banger! Kyle! Gotta get the boy Banger in the mix, you know? All the homies helped out, so all of them, I gotta take them all on a spin, you know? Gotta treat my boys right, you know? It is currently the next morning, guys. I took kind of my morning to kind of clean up things a little bit. Flipped intakes around so the map sensor isn't showing. I like it to look clean. Put the strut bar back on. Surprisingly, it does fit, and these intakes have amazing fitment. Couldn't be more happier than that. Right now I'm gonna wash it in a bit, but I was just kind of going over a few things, tweaking it, putting bolts where in random places where they should have been, you know, cleaning up the wiring and all that good stuff. I need to wash the car, so we're gonna do that next. Cause look at this filthy thing, and then go for a drive. I haven't driven her all day. I've just been working on it. This car's looking filthy. It's a little bit darker now. I'm gonna wash her up, change out the filters, and you know, then we can start enjoying her, get rid of all this dirt. First walk around, I'm gonna wash her and then go for a drive, gas up, take you guys along for the ride, you know, because we haven't been in this car in a while. Currently posted at the pump. She's taking all my money, but she looks good though. It got kind of dark when I stopped washing her, so this is what she looks like right now. She cleans up pretty good. Sheesh. This thing looks good, man. How crazy, how crazy. She looks good, bro. She looks good. I'm back at the crib, guys. Successful day. I had an amazing time. Something I did off camera, I went for me and my boy Vlad had some evening plans and we mobbed it out in the 350Z today. I mobbed it pretty deep and did a few pulls and the car feels pretty good. Couldn't really take the camera because it was getting really dark, so I'm gonna have to save that for another time for you guys so we can go on some back roads, you know, on the track hopefully. And then, you know, just get back into racing, you know, ease my way into it. I hope you guys appreciate the build. I thank you guys so much for you guys' support. If you guys like the video, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Make sure to subscribe so you guys never miss out on the dope content that's going to be coming out. I got parts for performance. I got parts for cosmetics. Content's going to be getting pumped out like crazy. I'm super excited. Car drives amazing, feels amazing. There's a few minor tweaks that I still need to fix just to overall get the car dialed in, but it feels great. I definitely need to throw the slicks on because these tires are not going to cut it. So that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. I thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any suggestions, make sure to drop them down in the comments below. I want to know what you guys want to see. I hope you guys have an amazing, blessed day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.